Welcome back, friends, to the last chapter of Class 6 Geography, Chapter 8 India, Climate, Vegetation, and Wildlife. In this chapter, we will study about climate, vegetation, and wildlife of India. Let's start. Weather. Weather is about day to day changes in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall, and sunshine, etc. However, climate is about the average weather condition which have been measured over many years. Weather is day to day changes, and climate is taking many years of weather. The major seasons recognized in India are cold weather, that is winter season, hot weather, that is summer season, southwest monsoon, rainy season, season of retreating monsoon, autumn season. Cold weather, which is lies from December to February. During this season, the sun rays do not fall directly to the region. As a result, temperatures are quite low in northern India. Hot weather season lies from March to May. The sun rays more or less directly in this region. Temperature become very high and hot and dry winds in the summer season are known as loo, which is blow during the day. Southwest monsoon rainy season from June to September. It is marked by onset and advance of monsoon. The winds flow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land and carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain barriers, the rainfall will occur. Season of retreating monsoon, autumn season from October and November. Winds move back from mainland to the Bay of Bengal. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, receives rainfall in this season. The climate of India broadly described as monsoon type. Due to India's location in tropical region, one of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from sea, and relief. Natural vegetation, the grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on there without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. Different types of natural vegetation are dependent on different climatic conditions, among which amount of rainfall is very important. Due to varied climatic conditions, India has a wide range of natural vegetation. Vegetation of India can be divided into five types. First one is tropical evergreen forest. It is also known as tropical rainforest. They occur in the areas which receive heavy rainfall. They are so dense that sunlight does not reach to the ground. Many species of trees are found in these forests which shed their leaves at different times of the year. Therefore, they always appear green and are called evergreen forest. Important trees are mahogany, ebony, rosewood. Places where they occur Andaman and Nicobar Island, parts of northeastern states, and a narrow strip of western slope of Western Ghats. This is the picture of tropical rainforest. Tropical deciduous forest, also known as monsoon forest, they are widespread in India, less dense. They shed their leaves at a particular time of year. Important trees are sal, teak, peepal, neem, shisham. Places where they occur: Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and in some parts of Maharashtra. This is the picture of tropical deciduous forest. Third one is thorny bushes. They are found in dry regions. The leaves are in the form of spines to reduce the loss of water. Important trees: cactus, kher, babool, kikar. Places: Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, eastern slopes of Western Ghats, and Gujarat. You can see the picture of cactus. Fourth one is mountain vegetation. A wide range of species is found in mountain according to the variation in height. At a height 1500 meter and 2500 meters, most of the trees are conical in shape. These trees are called coniferous trees. For example, cheer, pine, the other. Fifth one is mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are the forests which are at the area where the water is present. They can survive in saline water too. Important trees are Sundari. Places where they occur mainly found in Sundarbans in West Bengal and in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Wildlife of India: Gir forest in Gujarat, famous for Asiatic lions. Assam is famous for elephants and one-horned rhinoceros. Kerala and Karnataka, elephants. Great Indian bustard camels. Run of Kutch wild ash. Himalayas wild goats, snow leopards, and bears. In order to protect wildlife, many national parks, sanctuaries, biosphere reserves have been set up. The government has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. Wildlife Week is celebrated in the first week of October to create awareness of conserving habitats of animals. So we have completed our class 6 geography. We will back with the next geography class 7th. Thank you, class.